Welcome to the official HBS Rent-A-Car YouTube channel. If you enjoy scenic road trips, premium vehicles and exploring the beauty of Sri Lanka, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Experience the beauty of the Kurunegala Meerigama Expressway, one of the Sri Lankan's modern highway connections, offering a smooth, safe and comfortable driving experience. From breathtaking highways to scenic destinations, we bring you the best of Sri Lanka through our journey. At HBS Rent-A-Car, we offer a wide range of well-maintained rental vehicles, including the stylish Toyota CHR, the luxurious Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, premium SUV, comfortable sedan, family vehicles, vans, and executive cars to suit every travel need. On our channel, we regularly publish highway driving videos, scenic road trips, city drives, tourist destination showcases, rental fleet updates, vehicle reviews, genuine customer review and feedback videos, travel experience and behind the scenes content from HBS Rent-A-Car. Our goal is to help travelers discover Sri Lanka while showcasing the quality, reliability and comfort of our rental service. Whether you are planning a family holiday, business trip, airport transfer, self-drive adventure or a luxury tour across Sri Lanka, HBS Rent-A-Car is ready to provide exceptional service and the perfect vehicle for your journey. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to the official HBS Rent-A-Car YouTube channel. For more travel inspiration, customer reviews, highway drives, vehicle showcase and updates from our premium rental feed.